Hello friends, for 2 minutes let us talk about AI, transformation of AI, right? From oil to AI, Saudi Arabia's new empire. And you might be aware of this picture. This is a Stargate project, which is a huge data center project which is built in US. This is how the star. I just brought you some pictures so that you can know, you would get aware of. This is how the data centers used to look like. And I just want to show you an article about regarding the how the transformation is going on, especially like in India. There are a lot of projects were going on regarding AI. Google recently announced a huge uh, data center project in Vishakhapatnam, which is in Andhra Pradesh. I'll show you the article regarding that thing. Just look at this. Google is building its first AI hub and its largest hyperscale data center in India in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Like, by this I just want to tell you, like, AI is going to be transform the whole world. As earlier, uh, the internet has transformed the world. Similarly, a lot of people were learned about internet and they were survived out there. Similarly, I'm telling you, just survive yourself. Don't be out. I just want to tell you, please don't avoid AI. Just adopt AI and be there. Don't miss out. Is AI killing web developers? You might be heard of these things. People used to talk of AI is going to take the jobs of web developers because all the codes were written by the AI. And so, if you ask me, that's not the real picture was. You can A lot of people used to tell their perspectives. Rather, I would tell you, just go into any AI platform like ChatGPT or Gemini. Just give some prompts, give me your specifications just to build a website. Even I have been done the same, like given a prompt to build a full functioning website, a blog website, and I have given some specifications, but it have been able to build us just the front end part, but it was failed when I was clicking these buttons, edit or delete or new post. All these buttons are not working yet. So maybe I'm going to take the jobs of maybe front end developers, but not the full stack web developers, whereas back end comes. About the course, as mentioned in the thumbnail, full stack web development. Full stack web development consists of front end, back end, and database. And there are a lot of technologies like softwares, like when it comes to like front end usually consists of CSS and HTML, JavaScript, but backend has a lot of varieties like Ruby, PHP. You can go with JavaScript and Java. And in database there's two types of like SQL. In SQL there are specifications too, like MongoDB and other Postgres. These are the technologies for there, and let us see what you get in this course. In this course, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these are just common, but Node.js, React. I've chosen these specifications for this specific course. I'll teach you GitHub and GitHub. Uh, I've been chose Postgres as a database, and I have brought you some statistics about like which the popular or else the popular programming languages were used. I just take you through some. I just want to show you something regarding this. Like, let's go into the Stack Overflow Stack Overflow survey. Like, I just want to show the real statistics like which technologies, as so far you may be aware of Stack Overflow. Most widely people believe it. And just see the statistics of programming languages. Even I'll show you the professional developers what it would be like. JavaScript at the top. So we are in the right track, I think so. In database Postgres, I already mentioned that in my course. Like Postgres we are going to do, and it was in the top. It was like most widely have been used. And this is a professional developer. Let us see what beginners, learners used to learn. It is MySQL. These are maybe simpler ones, so beginners used to do it. And I'll teach you. You get hands-on tutorials. We'll spend our whole time in the runtime environment, especially like VS Code. We'll spend our whole time over there. We'll get a real knowledge, and we'll do the real world projects, around 10 to 12 projects. And we can also learn version control lot. We'll go into the depth, more depth of web development. We'll learn right from scratch to advanced level. Yeah, this is up to the course. These are the outcomes. And everybody welcome to the course. And let's do it this.